If I could forget him, I would. Please believe me. And I know that I should throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. Hey, you treat me so much better than him. And if I was sane, there'd be no competition. But I'm in love with someone else, and I'm so sorry. Hey, hey, I'm in love with another man, and I know when it right. Hey, hey, hey. You should go and find someone else that could treat you right, give you the world. Someone who understands the man you are. 'Cause baby, you shine so bright, and I will just dim your star. A girl who treats you like you treat them. Boy, I know there's plenty women who would love to have a man like you. But I'm in love with someone else. I'm so sorry, baby. Hey. And I know it ain't right. No, 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 no. For what I did to you, baby. Oh, yeah. Well, that's about it. Bye.